Subscribe to Drama YT and press the bell icon to get the latest videos first of the all. Hey guys, how are you? It's K2 and welcome to Drama YT. Do you guys need Chinese dramas which make you love a lot? This list of 10 most romantic comedy is a must watch. Comedy in romantic dramas makes the audience laugh and be touched all at once. Comedy dramas usually have a storyline that is hard to guess. The funny behavior of the players makes the audience happy. Get ready to laugh out loud. Therefore, in this video, I'm going to talk about my top 10 Chinese dramas with funny and romantic stories. So give this video a like and let's get to it. Number 10. Sweet Combat. As the eldest daughter of the Fang conglomerate, Fang Yu was raised to become the sole successor of the company. Yet, she goes against her family's objections to pursue boxing and won the championship title at the young age of 18. On the other hand, Mingtian comes from a very poor family. He once stopped schooling for 3 years in order to work, and then he decided to apply for a sports scholarship despite not having any background whatsoever. Fang Yu was one of the first to see his talents, and the relationship grows over time. Number 9. Sweet Dreams. A story between Ling Lingxi and Bo Hai as they meet due to a chance encounter and accidentally spark a fairy tale romance. Ling Lingxi, who is an employee at Beima Hotel, is a kind, considerate, and helpful young lady. However, her insecurities often get in the way as she is unable to do well at the work and often fails to muster up the courage to do what she wants. At the same time, she is also afraid to confess her feelings to Bo Hai, who is her colleague at the work. One day, she and Bo Hai participate in a public experiment that is being organized by a dream technology company. The device that they are trying suddenly malfunctions, causing the records of Ling Lingxi's brainwaves to accidentally transfers into Bo Hai's dream sequence. She begins to have the ability to enter his dreams and finds it easy to let go of her inhibitions in this alternate reality. She comes to her own as she tries to help Bo Hai overcome his childhood trauma, all while they also get to know each other in the real life as well. Number 8. I Cannot Hug You. The plot revolves around an inexplicable pull between two people and the romance that ensues between them. The female protagonist is the modern day vampire who is apathic towards everything in life until the male protagonist turns up to be her next door neighbor. He is a germaphobe like in the webtoon. Her world changes as she feels the desperate need to get close to him. Will she finally be able to hug him? That's the biggest question that this drama brings to you in a very funny way. Number 7. My Girlfriend is an Alien. Chen Xiaoxi, who was an alien girl from the Cape Town planet, lost her signal and then had to stay on the earth. She then encountered an overbearing boss named Fang Ling who was suffering from the disease called rainy weather heterosexual amnesia, and he would forget the females around him. A hilarious and romantic crossover love story since then started. Chen Xiaoxi was not only an alien but also a true-handed witch. Once she inhaled the hormone emitted by the males on the earth, she would fall into a flowery state and meet many funny things after that. In order to survive on the human earth, Chen Xiaoxi used her various superpowers to solve one accident after another. Number 6. Gang Your Heart. Their meeting was a recipe for disaster, but their romance is sweet. This is a love story between an esports gamer and a Tisondri live streamer. Ji Xiangkong had the reputation, the good looks, and the hordes of fangirls. Xu meets him during an international competition and jumps at the chance to boost her own popularity, oblivious to the fact that his reputation in the world of esports is strangely tarnished. Instead of helping her, the association hurt her even more. The experience turns out to be a blessing in disguise as Xu finds her calling. By chance, she discovers that Ji Xiangkong is actually a misunderstood genius. Number 5. Master Devil Do Not Kiss Me. A bizarre twist of fate throws impoverished tearaway milk delivery girl Chu Xia together with an unlikely Prince Charming. Ruthless know-it-all business hire Han Shilu. Will Han Shilu and his high school friends scare off Chu Xia, or will she win everyone over with her own unique charms? And will the bitter adversity between Chu Xia and Master Devil turn into something altogether maybe sweeter? Number 4. Go Ahead. Probably one of my favorite C-dramas of all time. The story revolves around three troubled youths who find solace in their common experiences to become the best family that they can be for each other. Growing in dysfunctional households, three individuals who are unrelated by blood treat each other like a family as they yearn for the love that they cannot find at home. Eldest brother Ling Xiao, second brother He Zekyu, and the youngest sister Li Jianjian grow up together, experiencing life's joy and strife as they support each other's chosen paths. As Ling Xiao and Hizikyu graduate from high school, they return to their original families. 9 years later, the three are reunited, but the heartaches from their complicated family past become a shadow that constantly lingers. Can they finally fix their personal issues to become better versions of themselves? Number 3. Put your head on my soldier. On the cusp of graduation, an accounting major searching for her career winds up living with a genius physics student who shakes up her daily routine. Situmo is a graduating student. As someone who got used to having her whole life planned out for her, she is at loss about her future and can't find the courage to make a decision for herself. Because the school districts have merged, physics major Gu Wei barks into her life. They clash repeatedly without noticing that they are slowly walking into each other's heart. To their surprise, they accidentally end up having to live together and then their romance blooms. Number 2. Love is sweet. Jiang Zun is a girl who is allergic to tears and has a double degree in economics and psychology. She is unrestrained and idealistic due to her family's superior background. After graduation, she worked in a philanthropy organization where she pursues her dream. However, her father's sudden accident leaves her in a dilemma. Eventually, she decides to work in a top investment company to fulfill her father's dying wish. In MH, Jiang Jun meets her childhood playmate Yuan Shuai. However, the current Yuan Shuai is no longer her gentle protector but her rival. In MH, where the culture of wolf instinct is rampant, someone is plotting against Jiang Jun while someone sees her as an eyesore. However, with her kind nature and attention to details, along with her high EQ and sense of judgment, Jiang Jun eventually attains success both in her career and also in love life. Number 1. Go-Go Squid. A cute romance between an adorable singer who develops a crush on a guy that she is too scared to approach. He is a genius in the field of computer engineering and a legend in the world of professional gaming. It is late evening when Hang Shanyan walks into an internet cafe. While helping her cousin wash the shop, Tong Nian catches just a glimpse of Hang Shanyan and immediately falls head over heels for him. She is usually brave, outgoing, and has tens of thousands of followers from singing covers online. But she fumbles whenever she encounters him. She is used to interviews but can't even utter a word when speaking to him. He is cold, hard to reach, and not the type of guy to be interested in girls. But Tong Nian's unique personality and her persistent ways to get close to him begin to catch his attention. So that was it guys, the video ends here. I hope you have liked this video. If you have watched the video till here, give this video a like and subscribe to Drama YT. And yet you guys have not followed me on the Instagram handle, which is right in front of you. It is called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well. And I will see you later as always. Your K2. Love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.